Okay, so we're in Chanthaburi, Thailand. So it's this place not too far from Cambodia. It's between Bangkok and Cambodia, closer to Cambodia than Bangkok. And it has Vietnamese influence, French influences, Chinese influences, and of course, it's Thailand as well. And this waterfront community, there's all these homes that are built up all along the community. And I did another video where I went from that temple, the gold one, almost where the bridge is at, and I walked through these ones. It's about 11-minute video. You can see that if you want to see it. I think it's pretty cool, for sure. And we're gonna do a part 2 video, which is continuing along this waterfront community all the way down that way. And we're just gonna go to that bridge, and then there's a Catholic church over here, which is kind of the focus point. So we're gonna be doing this one all the way down to there. So stay tuned for that. 2023, COVID is over, and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're gonna be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok. So stay tuned and check it all out. Okay, so Chanthaburi, riverfront, riverfront community. You can see the slowness of the river. That'd be interesting what that's like when it rains and storms. Quite peaceful. Of course, we have all these homes here, and most of these homes have businesses, so they'll come out. Some of them are private homes, and some are restaurants, some are hotels, hostels, Airbnb, and they'll overlook the river. And that's a little bit underneath as well, so you can see. Looks like the mud does go up, so it looks like it does go up quite a ways, even maybe, because you can actually see the mud on all the levels. So we're gonna walk along this to that bridge and over to the Immaculate Catholic Church, which has a lot of influences from Vietnamese, Catholic Vietnamese, French influence. And I guess this is definitely, we're 100% in Thailand, and it's definitely is Thailand, but there's a lot of different influences here, mostly French, Chinese, and Vietnamese is the other one. So that's the community that I walked down already. And now we're gonna walk down this side. So now you can see already that these are businesses, right? And they'll be selling things along the way. Let's see what this one is. Looks like got some nice alleys everywhere. Just kind of come out a little bit. I think this one is fish, maybe from the river. Available here. Japan's. Huh. That's pretty interesting. Okay. So we are in Chanthaburi's waterfront community. It's nice. that many people come here. So I was looking at other videos and I see a couple, but not a lot. So if you can like and subscribe, definitely like it, make a comment, especially if you want to support some Chanthaburi awareness. Open every day. Chinese influence there. Okay. See, I think originally the shop houses, I think there's a lot of Chinese in all the towns in Thailand. And then the Vietnamese were immigrants from the Vietnam War. I think there's a persecution of Catholics, so they fled. It used to be French. Kind of cool. So Vietnam used to be French for a long time, and then Vietnam got it back, and I guess they persecuted the Catholics, and some of those Catholics fled to Chanthaburi here. So there's a beautiful church. There it is right there. So we're going to be doing a separate video for that, but we'll walk to that just so that it has a little bit of context for this video. Oops. This goes into the town, downtown right there. Hello. So that's the Chanthaburi Waterfront community right there. And we're going to be going towards the church right over there. You can see it in the distance. So if I walk through there, we could go to the waterfront, and then that's where the church is at, right there. So we are going to walk towards that direction. This one says Smile Cafe, coffee shop. Some nice temples right here. So you're seeing the Chinese influence in these little protectors. Scare away the spirits. I think the Chinese temples have a little bit element of Taoism, I think. Maybe somebody could correct me about that though. Yeah, pretty cool. That's really nice. Oh, that smells good. It smells really good. Here's a place called Concept Bar with ice cream. Pretty interesting place. There we go. Somebody who has some long history here in this community, I'm sure. See, they're doing some construction here. Kind of interesting building. There's one that has cafeteria. So it's probably about like 9:30 in the morning, so it's still a little bit early. You can see the Catholic church in the background there. So we'll walk towards that. Oh, that looks interesting. Crispy egg cake.
อ๋อไม่ได้เลยจะได้ถึง
กลายเป็นซื้อหัวมุมนี้หัวมุมนู้นบอกว่าเดี๋ยวจะกลับไปซื้อเลยจะไปซื้อเลยหัวมุมนี้ซื้อเยอะเลย
Pretty cool. Okay, so we're still in this waterfront community, and we got a gems market up here, which should be a separate video, and then that's that direction. And our church that we're trying to get to is straight ahead, and the camera battery got too hot, so we're going to come through here, and then we're going to just show off the church, and then that'll be the end of this video for the waterfront community. I also want to capture the river there as well, so we'll do like a 360 when we get to that spot. That's a durian. Tons of durian here. Pretty cool. Lots more.
ข้างในเลยติดหน้าต่าง
We are here, so we're basically at the end of the waterfront community. And then we are going to go up to this bridge here. And then we can do a little 360 for a conclusion. That's kind of cool. Even have like a little Jesus, Mary, Mary and Jesus. And there's the waterfront community right there. So we'll show you the other side too, and that's the church. So we'll go all the way up to the top. Huh. There's a church there, there's more churches there. Pretty interesting. I'm gonna do a whole separate video for this one. So yeah, this one, there's the shop house. Oh, didn't even see that. Cool. Nice painting. So they kind of, I think there's a gem market over there, so maybe later I'll look for that. And basically what we did is that. Oh. Excuse me. Whew. That's the focus point for Chanthaburi. That church. It's in all the photos of the city, as well as this waterfront community. Both of them are always in it. Okay, so let's end it right there. Okay, here we go. This is all about it. So 300 years ago, Thais, Chinese, Vietnamese. Vietnamese were Catholics. Vietnamese immigrated with the French priests since this particular region, which I guess is 300 years ago. Okay. It's longer ago than I thought. So, okay. And that's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them! Yeah.